Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Sarala. Today in this video I am going to sharing with you my habits, which means how I can improve my English through the platforms and how you can utilize our social media and everything to improve our English. So in this video I am going to sharing with you these things. Okay, so without squandering your precious time, let's dive into the video. Start spending time in social media. You guys are thinking, are you gonna mad or what, Sarla? Everyone says that don't waste your time in social media, don't scroll down reels and everything, but you are the person to saying start spending time in social media. Why? But there is a reason behind it, guys. Okay, so whenever I say something, there is a reason behind it. Okay, so I'm not talking about you should definitely spend your whole day in social media and everything. I'm not saying that to you. Okay, so your precious time is very valuable, right? In your spare time. So when you are scrolling down Instagram reels and everything, instead of that you should spend time in social media for other purposes, and you can utilize that time to improve your English. Okay, so how we can improve our English through the social media platforms, I'll tell you. So what I used to do was, whenever I watch any videos or anything, so I mostly prefer TED Talks, guys. In anywhere, in case it is in YouTube or in Instagram, I mostly prefer TED Talks and also motivational speeches. These are all very useful to improve my English. So that is what I am telling you. So you should follow this kind of content, this kind of videos is definitely helpful to your way of speaking and your fluency as well. Okay, so that is what I do each and every single day. If in case in my spare time, I mostly prefer to spend a lot of time to improve my English. And when you are watching real life conversations and real life incidents and everything in English, then you can also improve your English, and also you can, in order to, you can describe your day, and in order to describe your whole life in English. So that is what I'm trying to saying you. Okay, so you should follow TED Talks and also motivational speeches to improve your English. Okay, this is very useful for me. Okay, when you are watching that kind of content each and every single day, because each and every single day, when you are practicing, when you are learning, when you are speaking, when you are listening English words, English sentences, then only you can improve your English, then only you can able to speak English. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please prefer English content videos to improve your English. Okay, so that is what I used to do. That is how I can utilize my social media. Okay, and I'm not saying that you should spend a lot of time in social media. I am saying that use the social media platforms in a good manner. Okay, and it is also the way to improve your English, right? So that, and one more thing I want to tell you, so how I can utilize social media. Whenever I watch any videos or any reels, what I used to do was I'll just write comments. So if I think that it is a good, and if I think that it is informative for me, so I'll definitely write comments in the comment section in English, because I can write my own words in the form of comments, and also in order to writing these words and sentences, you can improve your vocabulary, grammar, sentences, structure and everything, right? So whenever you are writing comments, please pay attention. Okay, so why I'm saying this, your single comment will make their day or break their day. Okay, so I'm not saying that you can write bad comments or negativity. Okay, so don't spread negativity. Okay, so if it is not possible to you to spread positivity, then please leave it. Okay, so and one more thing I want to tell you, I'm not telling you that definitely write comments. Okay, it's up to you. For example, if you guys writing any comments in the comment section for me, it in a positive manner, it motivates me. Okay, not only me, in anyone. So it motivates them. Okay, it boosts them their confidence, and it will be very encouraging them to do lots of videos. Okay, so there is nothing wrong to spread positivity, right? So because your single comment definitely make smile on their faces. Okay, and also one more thing. So how I used to utilize these platforms like social media and everything in different manner. That is, I can learn each and every single day a word. So I can learn a word, and also I can know the meaning of that word. Okay, if I know the meaning of that word, then I can make lot of sentences with that particular word. Okay, so I can write lot of sentences in my spare time. Then I can choose a best sentences. Okay, I'll take that best sentence and put as my WhatsApp status and Instagram status. Okay, so this is how I utilize the social media platforms. Okay, I'm not showing off I'm expert in English and everything. No, just I'm saying I can learn words, and means I can express myself, and I can make some sentences with my own words. So I can utilize the platform like this. Okay, so I'm not showing off for everyone I'm learning English, I'm learning words, I'm learning sentences. I'm not showing off. Okay, so because I want to learn English, this is also a best way to improve my English. And this is how you can follow social media, and this is how you can improve your English through the social media platforms. Okay, and this is what I used to do each and every single day. So in my spare time, mostly I used to do like this. I think this video is useful to you guys, and if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye bye.